So how would you solve this problem? You have created a function called average that take 3 inputs, do the average on them, and then print this. But what if the number of variables change every time when you call the function? For example, here we have some inputs, a different number of inputs, here we have different number of inputs, and so on. This would break the function and give us, as you can see here, we have 3 exact position arguments, but we are giving more than 3. Like here we are passing 6 exact arguments. One way you can solve this is by using an unpacking operator, just by using an static here with the ARGS keyword. By the way, you can name this anything you want. People just usually use it. We can call this nums, and then we can just call the sum of on that nums, and then we can take the length of the nums. So now if we run this, we will see that we will get the average of all these function calls. Basically, the star operator here is called an unpacking operator. Takes however many inputs you have and store them into a tuple, and you can run operations similar to a list like sum, length.